What if mealtimes could be less about battles and more about connection, nourishment, and calm? Welcome to Mindful Meals. Start by slowing down. Even 10 minutes of screen-free eating signals. This time matters. No phones, no TV, just presence. Kids eat better when they're not distracted. Involve them early. Let toddlers wash veggies, preschoolers stir batter, or older kids help plan one meal a week. Ownership reduces resistance and builds life skills. Serve food family style when possible. Passing bowls builds autonomy. You decide how much goes on your plate. Trust their hunger cues. They're better at self-regulation than we think. Talk about food with curiosity, not judgment. Instead of eat your carrots, they're healthy. Try notice how crunchy these are, or this tastes sweet. What do you think? Remove moral labels like good or bad foods. Keep meals low pressure. It's your job to offer balanced options. It's their job to decide what and how much to eat. Repeated exposure, not forcing, builds acceptance. Use mealtime to connect, not correct. Share your own highs and lows. My favorite part of today was walking in the sun. Invite, don't interrogate. Anything fun happen at school? And if dinner turns chaotic, breathe. It's not about perfection. It's about showing up again and again with patience and presence. Mindful meals aren't about gourmet recipes or spotless kitchens. They're about creating a space where food, feelings, and family meet with kindness. You're not just feeding bodies. You're nurturing lifelong habits of awareness, balance, and togetherness. If you're turning mealtimes into moments of calm and connection, like this video, share it with a parent tired of food fights, and subscribe for more gentle, practical tips on mindful parenting, nutrition, and emotional wellness. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a short that helps you raise healthy, grounded, and joyful kids. What if the way your family talks about food is shaping your child's relationship with eating for life? Mindful eating isn't just about chewing slowly. It's about shifting from rules and guilt to awareness and joy. When we label foods good or bad, kids learn to feel shame, not satisfaction. Instead, focus on how food makes the body feel. Carrots help your eyes see in the dark, or this pasta gives you energy to play. Break the diet culture cycle. Avoid commenting on your own body or portion sizes in front of kids. They absorb every word and mirror your attitudes. Make mealtime safe spaces, not performance zones. No pressure to clean the plate. No bribes with dessert. Trust that your child knows their hunger better than you think. Joy lives in the ordinary. Laughing over spaghetti, sharing a berry-picking adventure, or baking cookies just because. When food is tied to love, not control, it becomes nourishment for the soul, not just the body. And the long-term impact? Kids raised with a positive food mindset are less likely to struggle with disordered eating, emotional eating, or chronic dieting later in life. They learn balance, not restriction. You're not just serving meals. You're modeling a lifelong relationship with food, one of trust, pleasure, and care. If you're ready to make food a source of connection, not conflict, like this video, share it with a parent or caregiver rethinking mealtime, and subscribe for more mindful, science-backed guidance on emotional wellness, family nutrition, and raising grounded, joyful kids. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a short that helps you build healthy habits from the inside out. Think healthy family meals require hours in the kitchen? Think again. Small, smart swaps create big nutrition without the stress. Start with nutrient-dense staples. Swap white rice for quinoa or cauliflower rice. Stir chia seeds or ground flax into oatmeal. Add lentils to spaghetti sauce. They disappear but pack protein and fiber. Keep frozen spinach on hand. It blends right into scrambled eggs, smoothies, or soups. Time-saving tricks make weeknights sane. On Sundays, roast a big tray of mixed veggies and grilled chicken. Use them all week in wraps, grain bowls, or stir-fries. Cook once, eat 3 ways. Keep a dump jar of pre-chopped onions, peppers, and garlic in the fridge for instant flavor. Overnight oats? Make 5 jars at once. Smoothie packs? Freeze fruit plus grains in bags. Just blend with milk in the morning. Smart snacking keeps energy steady and meltdowns at bay. Pair carbs with protein or fat, apple slices plus almond butter, yogurt plus berries, whole grain crackers plus cheese. Avoid sugar crashes that zap focus and mood. Keep a snack drawer with grab-and-go wins, hard-boiled eggs, trail mix, hummus cups, or homemade energy balls. You don't need fancy ingredients or perfect meals. You need simple, repeatable habits that nourish without overwhelm. Every small swap teaches your kids that healthy food can be easy, tasty, and part of real life, not a chore or a punishment. If you're feeding a family with love and limited time, like this video, share it with a busy parent who needs practical nutrition wins, and subscribe for more mindful, doable tips on family wellness, emotional eating, and joyful nourishment. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a short that helps your family thrive, one simple swap at a time. What if the secret to raising adventurous, joyful eaters isn't on the plate, but in the kitchen? Invite your child in early. Even toddlers can tear lettuce, stir batter, or wash berries. Preschoolers can crack eggs, spread hummus, or arrange veggie faces on a wrap. Older kids can read recipes, chop soft foods with safe knives, or plan a rainbow dinner. These aren't chores, they're acts of ownership. Kids who help cook are far more likely to taste, try, and enjoy what they've made. Make it sensory and playful. Feel how bumpy this kiwi is. Smell the garlic, sharp or sweet? Listen to the sizzle. Curiosity, not pressure, opens the door to new foods. No forcing, no bribing. Just gentle invitation. Want to smell this herb? Or can you find 3 green things for our salad? Turn prep into story and game. We're making dragon scales. This pasta is a nest for our broccoli trees. Use cookie cutters for fun shapes. Let them taste test and give silly reviews. Crunchy like a squirrel. Cooking together builds fine motor skills, math, language, and patience. But more than that, it builds connection. In a world of fast food and screens, the kitchen becomes a calm classroom of creativity, care, and real-life learning. You're not just making dinner. You're growing a confident, curious human who sees food as joy, not a battleground. If you believe cooking together is one of the greatest gifts you can give your child, like this video, share it with a parent ready to turn meal prep into magic, and subscribe for more mindful, playful ideas on nutrition, emotional wellness, and joyful family moments. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a short that helps you raise healthy, happy, hands-on kids. What if the secret to lifelong health isn't a perfect diet, but 1,000 small, loving choices made consistently over time? Sustained change doesn't come from drastic overhauls. It comes from showing up gently, day after day, drinking 1 more glass of water, adding veggies to scrambled eggs, sitting down together 3 nights a week. Small steps, repeated, become identity. Let go of perfection. Did you serve frozen pizza? That's okay. What matters is the pattern, not the single meal. Celebrate progress. We tried a new fruit this week. Or, we talked at dinner without phones. Great job. Joy grows in encouragement, not criticism. Children don't remember if every meal was organic. They remember how food made them feel welcome, safe, and loved. That emotional imprint lasts far longer than any nutrient. This is your family's food legacy, not a rigid meal plan, but a culture of balance, curiosity, and care. A legacy where food is shared, not feared. Where bodies are respected, not judged. Where mealtimes are connection, not control. When you model patience with yourself, you teach your child self-compassion. When you prioritize togetherness over tidiness, you teach that relationships matter more than perfection. You're not just feeding today. You're planting seeds for how your child will feed themselves and their own families years from now. And that legacy begins not with grand gestures, but with 1 mindful bite, 1 calm conversation, 1 we're in this together moment at the table. If you're building a family food culture rooted in love, not pressure, like this video, share it with a parent focused on the long game, and subscribe for more heart-centered, sustainable guidance on nutrition, emotional wellness, and raising resilient, joyful humans. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a short that helps you nurture well-being that lasts a lifetime.